20, 20, 20. The tall is equal always. Imagine that we wanted that this branch would be 15 per 15. Sometimes that happens, not so often, because normally the tall of all the installation used to be the later. We have to make a reduction from 20 to 15. 2 times, okay? First time derivation, second time we would do reduction from 20 to 15, okay? Now we're gonna make that. We're gonna start as before. If you want, I will be a bit faster than before, like, okay? Because practically everything is the same. With 30. Income of the year, the female. Take care not going to the male. Male would be in case of aspiration, okay? For example, the return ducts would be in the other side, no? They would come the air by here and they would continue by here. In that case, that would be the male and those ones the female. But I'm thinking that this is the supply of the air, the flow of air is in those ways, then this is the inlet and those are the outlets. This is the female and those are the males, okay? Then 30 centimeters width means that I have to make the line at 30 plus 2. You remember, width of the coverings is always 2 centimeters more. Why? Because we have a wall in this side and a wall in this side, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, then 32. It's gonna finish at 30. Okay? Radius minimum
5.
20. You say?
The in
Radius is 20, yes.
oh, okay.
The
Sorry.
radius is the distance that I did
Okay,
from here
that's the
to here.
radius.
Then 20 centimeters, okay? Well, now, this branch width is 15. Remember, if we keep going with an elbow, now I should do 30 per plus 2, 32, no? But this is not an elbow. This is a derivation, and here the width is not 30, but it is 15. That means that I must do this line at 15 plus 2 centimeters, then 17. Again, how long? As much as I want, but normally minimum radius 20. 20 from this line plus 32, 52. At 52 centimeters. Okay? This center, as in the case of the elbow, half of 20, 10. Half of 20, 10. You can see it's exactly the same way I have done the elbow. Okay? Now, from here to there, how much should I consider? The parallel to this line, to the leaning line.
20?
Take care. This width is 30 plus 2. 32.
Yes.
If you consider 32, it's gonna be here. No, I think that is not. This is 15
Yeah.
plus 2,
Oh.
17. It seems to be, no? It seems to be more accurate. Then 17. 15 plus 2 is the width of the branch that is coming out, plus 2 centimeters. Okay? Up to the intersection, as you have said before. You see? This branch is 20 width plus 2, 22. up to the intersection. Okay? And the final one, I would say to you that this piece, due to how we are gonna do the walls, I prefer that you can give it here more than 15 centimeters, okay? Indeed, in the brochure you have from 15 to 20 centimeters more or less, okay? Then I'm gonna take, look, 15 is more or less here, is 39. Then I'm gonna take a round number, 40, okay? From here, it's more than 15, it's okay? Okay, then 40. If you wanna, as always, if you wanna make it longer, you can do. But if you need a longer way, it's easier for me to make a straight duct. Yes? Finish. Okay. Finish. Already drawn. You can see that it's like a drawing class. Okay. Now I'm just going to cut all the covering. Again, remember, if you need more than one of those derivations, now it's going to be easier if just with this one I copy them. Not needed to draw it same piece again. Also, if it is somebody of you who has a CAA machine, it's possible that that machinery with blades cut the board. Okay? Then, what's needed to be done here? Female, inlet, outlet, male and male. Remember, the male, the shiplap is in the other side. Then you have to turn it back. Paper, you have to take it out. There's one. Two. And use the black machine. Black machine. Right here, and we have the two males, the two outlets. Okay? It gets up to where? To here. Okay. Then same distance. Indeed, it is 40. Then I'm gonna cut the lateral wall at 40. Okay, female, male. I have to make a male here. Again, turn it back. You get out the slab of covering. Hold it. And black machine. Okay? We have our first lateral wall. 10 minus
minus
0.5. First, internal corner minus 0.5 minus 0.5. But here we have another internal corner that is going to be minus 1 minus 0.5 minus 0.5. Okay? Then 10 minus 0.5, 9.5. This is 14 minus 1, 13. Finally, this is 10, 9, 5. This is the end of the work that they need. Male already done, here female. Then just lacquering tool by here, female, okay? Then cutting those lines. 1, 2 horizontal, 3 by the back of the knife, okay? Open it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Open, not cut. Okay. The slab of covering, in the case of inner corners, I have to cut it. Now remember, you don't want to see the fiber, alu tape. Alu tape, alu tape, alu tape. Okay. Here. Sorry for the video. Okay? Same here. Okay? We have the inner wall. We draw like a groove of 1 centimeter, right? Something like that. Because we are gonna introduce this wall up to here. Okay? I think that's drawn also in the brochure, in the covering. Here, 2-3 centimeters, one width. Okay? Even sometimes it is people who says if the installer knows the flow of air that is gonna go for by inches. Okay? Up to here. Okay? This is gonna be the purpose. Then we were doing this lateral wall. See it? We have done the male, and from the male up to the corner we have 16.5. Okay? Then I'm gonna draw 16.5. And here that's an external corner. That means a groove of 1 centimeter. Then at 1 centimeter more, or 17.5 from the beginning, a second line. From the external corner to the end, when I say the end, I say here, okay, here, 20.5. Then from the second line, 20.5. And this is gonna be the end. As before, 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. And we get out the fibers. Yes? As in that case, this is gonna be inside. Normally we should. In this case, yes, it is necessary because the air is gonna push. Then in this case, yes, I recommend you to seal it with alu tape. Okay, to get it like that. Well, it is just this piece missing, but if you want, we are gonna make it. Remember again. No, female, male, or should be female with female, male with male. I push it, get the covering a bit to me, up, just when it comes back to its position, junction gets tighter. The second covering. Oops. No. I should be able to do it by myself. Now, this one. Again, same thing. Female with female, male with male. Staples. Okay. Now, this one. Okay. I'm sorry that you can see the product is the other one. But pretend that it's the correct one. Wall like this one, okay? Made this size, and we just have to put aluminum tape here, okay? Imagine that we do that. When I use the spatula to seal the aluminum, I'm gonna cut completely whole aluminum. This is a complete complex and hard junction. How to solve that? Well, I get that piece, straight edge, okay? Up to here. You see? That it comes to here. This is the tool I need, okay? Take a look that I'm using the straight edge because that's gonna fall in a straight edge. Then I cannot get, it is a leaning surface. The top of the maximum depth I can put this wall is up to here, okay? Okay, then I have marked that, sorry, out 6 centimeters, let's say. I don't know how many they say in the brochure, around 6 centimeters of a slab of covering. It doesn't say how many. Okay. Then I do like that. I have done a second line, 6 centimeters. It is only gonna be external covering, okay? Just I want it to hold that external covering and to be over this part of here. In that way, the junction is gonna be properly sealed. Like that. Thank you. And here, you need a nail. Remember that I told you before that this dimension should be at least 15 centimeters. Why? Because you can see that already this piece is very weak, it's very small. Then smaller would be so much weak, and at least 15. And doing that, look, what I do is that this slab of covering is sealing that junction. Now for me it's easy to put the alu tape here and seal everything. I don't have any leakage of air here, okay? And then way. And now sealing everything with alu tape, and same thing that always, corners, edges of external facing, everything to what do you think? Questions? Okay. And the level of airtightness is level D. The leakage depends always on the pressure, and it is always a curve that depends on the pressure. It is an air leakage. Okay. This is you can see that this is one of the more air tightness systems that you can find, but you can test it. We have tested according to that standard, and it is level D. There are several test reports for each product. In the brochure you have up to 6 different products. We have tested it, and we have got the level D. Of course, it is it depends too that the installer makes junctions and sealing properly. You wanted just one side sealed, then only one side, the others without the aluminum tape. Well, in common conditions, as you know, we should seal everything. But now, as to let it as a model, we are gonna seal only that side, okay? That before. And here, as we have discussed, it's easy for me to put the alu tape to close that junction. Okay. Then you have, as you wanted, your